making another video here about the ultrasonic cleaner. So we've got a twin choke carburetor out of a 1980s Honda of some kind. Also a friend of mine cleaned it all for. So for taking out all the rubber bits and pieces. Not sure whether we'll need to clean them later. But some of the carburetor cleaner in there again. So just letting the heat come up now. I've got this set to 50 degrees. It's pretty warm. It's the middle of the summer. It's 30 degrees anyway, so ambient temperature is pretty high. Letting it have a little bit of a soak. And then we'll once that's up to temperature, give it a 20-minute zap with the ultrasonics and see how it goes. There we go. Dial this around to 20. Minutes later, you can feel it's quite warm to the touch. Yeah, it's certainly fetched a lot of dirt off. I think what I'm going to do with this one is turn it over so this exposed bit here goes in the fluid, and give it another 20 minutes. Returning the carb to its owner. Nice and tidy through the middle. Pretty good job.